I just discovered a new AI video generation model that can generate video clips that is up to 60 seconds long. So the name of the AI model is called Magic Hour. Go to your search bar, type in Magic Hour, select this one, and you'll be asked to create an account. All you have to do is use your Gmail account to create an account. So if you scroll down, you will see the features that this AI tool has. So to get started, you click on create a video. Once you click on create a video, this is the dashboard. The insane part of this, the crazy part of this AI tool is that you can convert your text to video, your image to video, your videos to videos, and you can also do face swap, lip sync, and animation. Note that you will be able to get 500 free credit, but this AI tool is not completely free. First thing I want to try out is the text to video feature. So let's click on the text to video feature and we are going to type in a prompt and see what we will get. So I'll click on text to video and I'll paste my prompt. Then I'll choose the duration and I'll choose the aspect ratio. Then I will click on generate. The detailed result of the text to video generation is ready. Let's click to see what we have. Wow, this is simply amazing. This is very beautiful. A lot of things are happening in the background. Wow. And one thing I like about this is that I am not seeing too many morphines and too many disorientation in the background. The video is still ongoing. The video is still ongoing, guys. So if you're interested in knowing the text prompt that I used to generate this particular clip, this is what I asked ChatGPT to give me. So this is what I asked ChatGPT. Give me a text prompt for a 60 seconds video clip of a futuristic war scene. That is all I typed in. And ChatGPT gave me this text prompt. A high-tech battlefield set in a sprawling neon light city of a future massive. This is what ChatGPT gave me. This is what I use. If you're interested, if you look, if you come here, you will see it's still the same thing. It's still the same text prompt that I use, and I got this 1 minute video clip. This will be very good for AI filmmaking. Honestly, this will be so amazing for AI filmmaking if you're interested. If you want to download, you click here and download. Let's try the image to video picture and see what we can get. You have to upload an image of what you want to turn into a video. This is the image I want to use. Then you can type in a prompt. They said it's optional. Just have to type in a prompt, establishing shots. I will say establishing shots. The camera spins around. Duration if is 5 seconds. I'm going to click on render video. The result of our image to video is ready. Let's see the result of what we have gotten from Magic Hour and see how it actually looks like. This is very smooth. If you ask me, this is really beautiful. All I have to do is to click on the download button and it will be saved in my system. So this is just a 5 seconds clip and that is why it's very short as you can see. The next thing to try is the video to video feature. So let's click on it and we are going to upload our file. This is the video of what I want to use. Click on next step. In the video to video feature, you still get the same result, but the art style will be different. So I want to convert this to a retro anime. Then I will click on render video. So this is the result of the video to video generation. Let's see the results of what we are going to get. Remember, the video will remain the same, but the art style will be very different. We used a retro anime style. Now let's play it to see the result of what we will get. Let's increase it here. Okay, that is the result. Now let's see the original of the video. This is the original. This is the original. So it's still the same, but a different art style. If you want to use the video to video generation too. Next thing I want to try is the lip sync feature. I'll click on lip sync, then click to upload your video. This is the video I want to use. Scroll down, click on next step. It's time to either add your text or upload your audio. So I will use add text feature. So this is my test. When you scroll down, you can try different type of voices or you can upload your own audio. But for the purpose of this video, let's try different voices. I will use a female voice because we have a female video. I will use Taylor Swift. Make sure your video is as long as the text or the audio that you upload. So because the video I uploaded is 5 seconds long, the text that I typed in should be about 5 seconds long. So I have to click on generate to see how it looks like. Let's click on play to see the result of what we are going to get. Then we'll click on render video to get the actual results.
Technology is evolving faster than ever, and voice cloning is just the beginning. The future of AI content creation is limitless, and today you've just heard a glimpse of it.
So the result is ready. Let's see what we have.
Technology is evolving faster than ever, and voice cloning is just the beginning.
But I don't know where this image came from. The image that appeared at the end was that this image, and it looks very fake. It doesn't look real, like it doesn't look very realistic, but this can serve for presentation, things like that. The only thing you have to do is to make sure if your audio is 10 minutes, that means you have to upload a 10 minutes video so that it will be able to add all the audios on the 10 minutes clip. So that's the only thing I would say you have to be aware of when using the lip sync feature.